Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your default sound permissions in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC by launching the application or clicking on the Chrome icon. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser window, click on the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Step 4. In the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Scroll down and click on Site Settings. Step 6. Among the various options, locate and click on Sound. Step 7. Here, you can select the option you want as your default sound setting, such as allowing or blocking sound on all websites. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your default sound permissions in Chrome on your PC. Now you can personalize your browsing experience and control how sound works on different websites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.